is how this is my thing.
This is the
I like
intro.
to start off with apples are amazing.
They are.
The women are crazy.
Hell yeah.
This has nothing to do with this point.
It don't, but it's true.
I feast on crumbs because abundance ushers in overindulgence, so I starve, feasting on the least of things. I consume the smells of fresh cut grass and summer rains. My skin dines on solar rays. My eyes graze as they gaze upon the moon. Only these satisfy my insatiable appetite for simplicity, because normative indignation leads to fattening social mores, so I maintain my diet. I know where the kitchen lies. I trek there in silence to take my place among God and the angels, dodging the devil persuasive, keeping my ideals of divinity erect while maintaining my traditional angle. You see, as an earthly creature, I'm pretty low, but I yearn to be beautifully under, demarcating my humble position. Sitting in his presence, I take notes, which is the basis of understanding and shall ready to be ignorant no more. And as I write, I absorb God's secretion, still feasting for proper ingestion. Daily bread comes and crumbs. I dine on the divine, regurgitate heavenly messages. He reign, I pour. He rains, I pour into the populace so some God can seep in. Filling the pores, the devil tries to creep in, because stimuli received externally can affect my internals, because my internal sternness permeates outwardly, repelling external stimuli. And as I continue my odyssey, my destination is devoid of physical direction, but can only be described as beautiful. And I seek it diligently without a compass. Some say it's in India, but I feel it's got me wanting to go zenith without ever uprooting my feet. True growth, being planted in fertile soil is seeking an elevating canopy. And I desire this same true growth. Though my soil is arid and saturated among concrete, and pesticides have destroyed the height of my kind of tree, but I sacrifice with passion, pruning the bad parts of me, because nothing will inhibit my beautiful. I feast on crumbs. Though the celebrated art of entertainment is catching, I substitute the butter for the margins, the edge, the crumbs, the least of things. I hunger not for auto-tune artistry and synthetic beats, before the organic styles of musicians. You see, trumpets and the players are my carrots, flautists and the flutes are my cabbage, pianists and the pianos are my source of meat. On these things I feast, though they are among the least. Crumbs, to be candid. We must cultivate our garden, maximize the present from our Father, pay homage to our mother, and keep the promises of our brother. Through these we humble heaven and find forever legal grains of spiritual sand on the beaches of beautiful. And I admire the footprints in the sands of time, though they do not belong to me. I do not deserve to be carried, weary or not. So I thank God for his abundant graces, because he fed me crumbs, and I feast on crumbs. 2 fish, 5 loaves of bread fed 4,999 plus me. I've arrived at my destination. Beautiful.
Man.